This is my new weight rack. I just got a few minutes ago. And the weights are mine, but I thought I'd show you that this is a nice, sturdy weight rack. And on the sides, there's area in between, as you can see. This is the little handle above. And it's really, really nice. The weight of the weight rack is really nice. It's nice and sturdy, as you see. So there's no wind or anything that could blow it over. Anyway, this is my weight rack, and I really do like it. So I hope you enjoy yours too.